Hello, hello Disney fam. I am Pauline, the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and today I'm coming at you with a very belated October monthly pin tag. I have been doing these since March and I've been so good. So please forgive me for finishing October the last hour. You've waited long enough. Let's dive into the questions and most importantly, the pins. As always, we start out with your favorite pin that you've acquired in the month of October. And I selected this pin from Charmed and Cozy. It is a fantasy pin. And I got this in my pumpkin spice box swap. If you haven't seen it, I will put a link below. It was such an awesome swap. But this pin is so adorable. It is a banner pin that says Disney Dreams and Cozy Things. And it features some fall florals and even a little hidden Mickey pumpkin. As we all know, Halloween is October 31st, so show us your favorite Halloween pin. And I selected Sarah from the Sanderson sisters. This is from the pin series that came out this Halloween 2020. So this is a limited release from Disney. It was from a mystery box and it came with like the Sanderson sisters, Binks, and I think there were a couple other pins, but I totally want to collect all the Sanderson sisters. However, I was only lucky enough to get Sarah and I just love her. Pumpkins are abundant this time of year, so show us your favorite pumpkin pin. And I picked this little Lilo pin and she is holding a pumpkin. So Lilo is looking rather frightened in her adorable little witch outfit holding a jack-o'-lantern. The zodiac sign Scorpio starts this month. So show us a pin that represents Scorpio. And I selected this Stitch pin. It's actually for a character in the film Lilo and Stitch. It is for Lilo's sister Nani. And I selected her because Scorpios are passionate and loyal. And I thought that Nani fit all of the traits of a Scorpio. But this pin is actually from Box Lunch and it features a little Stitch surrounded by hibiscus and palm trees and other tropical leaves. As the gemstone of the month, show us an opal inspired pin. Now, opal is kind of this like clear white, but it has flecks of like turquoise and pink and purple. I don't know, it kind of makes me think of a mermaid in a way, but I didn't pick a mermaid pin. I actually selected this little Dole Whip jasmine pin. And I thought this worked really well because the Dole Whip itself is kind of this like iridescent sort of tone in like a light blue that makes me think of the opal color. These Dole Whip princess pins are just so cute. They are rather tiny, but that doesn't mean they aren't filled with lots of glitter detail and fun little accents like the magic lamp stuck there in the top of the Dole Whip. National Art Day is October 25th, so show us your most artistic pin. Now, I didn't pick a pin that had like a paintbrush or someone doing an art activity because I just think pins are art in of themselves. I love collecting them because they are so beautiful. I hang them on my wall in my home because to me, they're like little pieces of art. So I picked one of my favorite and most beautiful pins that is art to me. And that is this Shanghai Disney Little Mermaid pin. So this Little Mermaid pin is actually a limited edition of 500. And she has some beautiful glitter detail in her tail and on her fin, and her hair is just flowing so beautifully. I just adore how gorgeous this pin looks, and I especially love the gold medal. It is a little piece of art to me. October 16th is National Bosses Day, so show us a pin of a character that would make the worst boss ever. And I feel like there are a lot of Disney characters who would make the worst boss ever, but this specific character would probably give me a heart attack or an anxiety attack, or I would just quit because they are off the wall, and that is the Mad Hatter. I mean, could you imagine him being a boss? So this little Mad Hatter pin, I believe, was in a set or a mystery box, but he is holding a spoon and a teapot and has a rather large teacup. And I just love the coloring in all of these pins. They are so fun. I don't know about you, but I am ready to get all of the candy. So show me your best candy or trick-or-treating pin. And I selected this little Duffy pin. He is a trick-or-treater. So little Duffy is dressed up as a pumpkin, and he has lots of candy ready to go in his Duffy candy bucket. So cute. In Scotland and the UK, October 27th is National Storytelling Day. So I want to see a pin from your favorite Disney storyline. Now, I actually don't have a pin from this storyline, but I found something that represents it, and that is Coco. I actually ended up watching the movie just last night, and I'm just reminded about how amazing that movie is. I think it is super underrated. I know it's like fairly popular, but I don't think it gets enough credit. So I represented the movie Coco with this little Mickey You've Got Spirit pin. And this pin was from a pin pack, I believe, and it's a Mickey ghost, and it says You've Got Spirit. October 6th is Mad Hatter Day. I had no idea. So show us your best Alice in Wonderland pin. I've got it right here. It's little Alice sitting on this mushroom. I actually traded for this pin on the Disney Fantasy with someone in our Disney Cruise group. And it features little Alice, and she is sitting pretty on a mushroom in Wonderland. Well, that is it. Since it is so late in October, I'm not going to tag anyone, but if you feel like you want to do this tag and you can get it done before the end of the month, I am officially tagging you. And don't feel like you need to do it in October. If you want to do this pin tag, feel free to do it whenever you want. Be sure to let me know so I can watch the video. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, what was your favorite pin that I showed off today? And finally, if you are not already subscribed, I would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family. We do Disney videos in park and here at home talking about Disney. We also do weekly vlogs of our life. So I hope you'll subscribe and come back and stop by for all of our content. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.